Hello friends, my name is Raj and you are watching my YouTube channel Prayas. In this video, I will present an essay on winter season. With the help of this essay, you can improve your English speaking. So let's start today's video. Winter season. In India, winter season starts from November month to February month. Some people like winter season, some people don't like winter season. Whether you like it or not, you have to face it. In the northern part of India, winters are harsh, and in southern part of India, winters are mild. Winter season is very dangerous for old people. Many old people die in winter season. Even I lost my four relatives this winter. In winter season we cannot take bath from normal water because it is as cold as ice, so we take the help of geyser. We heat water from geyser and we take bath from hot water. Tea is a very popular drink in winter. When tea is made in the family, everybody is very happy. Children, mother, father, and elders, they they always take 2 or 3 cups tea, and tea is made 3 or 4 times in the winter season. Friends, winter season the nights are very cold, so when we go to sleep, we cover ourselves from blankets and quilts. In winter season, sun does not rise and there are clouds in the whole sky, so there is a cold everywhere. And in city areas, people use electric heaters and electric blowers to warm themselves, and in rural areas, people burn coal and wood fire to warm themselves. Winter season is very popular for snowfall. Many tourists go to hill stations. There is a snowfall in hill stations. India have many tourist places which have snowfall in winter season like Nainital, Mussoorie, Shimla, Patnitop, Jammu Kashmir, Gulmarg, Srinagar. Many tourists go there and enjoy snowfall. Winters, many animals hibernate in winter season. Hibernate means they sleep during the winters. Many animals like squirrel, chipmunks, prairie dogs, frogs, they hibernate in winter season. Winter season is a blessing for vegetable lovers. A lot of vegetable comes in winter season. When we go to vegetable shop, we see a lot of vegetable. There are cabbage, cauliflower, green peas, green onions, capsicum, radish, carrot, etc. So many people like to have vegetable, and winter season is absolutely good for vegetable lovers. And winters are also good for non-vegetarians. Many people like to have meat, chicken, fish, eggs, etc. So winter season is also good for non-vegetarian people. So friends, this was my essay for on winter season. If you have liked it, like, comment and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt, then ask in the comment section. Thank you.